This video is brought to you by the hair professionals at expresshairgrowth.com. What is hair porosity? Porosity refers to how well your hair is able to absorb and hold moisture. It is affected by the outer layer of your hair called the cuticle, which determines how easily moisture and other oils pass in and out of your hair. For most people, porosity is genetic, but it can also be affected by external factors like sun exposure, heat treatments, and chemical processing. Knowing your hair's porosity can help you choose the right products to keep your hair well moisturized, strong, shiny, and healthy. Determining your hair porosity. There are many ways to determine this, but here's our favorite method you can use to find out how porous your hair is. The float test. Take a couple strands of hair from your comb or brush and drop them into a bowl of water. Let them sit for 2 to 4 minutes. If your hair floats, you have low porosity. If it sinks, you have high porosity. Thanks for watching. Please visit us at expresshairgrowth.com for all your organic hair growth needs.